How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can record a high quality 1080p in ShareX. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the task setting, and then simply in here, of course, let's click on the screen recorder. Now, in order to record in high quality or to choose the quality that you want to record at, you want to select the advanced option, which is going to be the screen recording options. And in here, we have our preset. So just click on this drop down menu. And if you want to apply the best quality, you want to select the slowest one. And then it will go down little by little by choosing one less tier to the setting right here. So this is the best quality, better quality, good quality, so on and so forth. But if you want to go ahead and record in 1080p, I believe it's between slower and slowest. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.